Alright, this is a typical linear equation. If you remember, in standard form, we will graph this by setting up a table, and actually what we're going to find is the y-axis. We are going to find the value of y when x is 0 and the value of x when y is 0. So let's work through those two. If I put in 0 for x, I get negative 9 times 0 plus 5y equals 45. I get 5y equals 45. So y is equal to 9. So we have 0, 9. Actually, since we're putting in 0 for x, you just kind of cover one up. What is y when x is 0? Y is 9. We'll do the same thing with the x term. We'll solve for the x term now. Negative 9x plus 5 times 0 equals 45. So negative 9x equals 45. What times negative 9 gives me 45? X is equal to negative 5. So when we want to graph this, one of our points is 0, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We go up there. And our other point is negative 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5, 0. And we would simply, and I think in Khan Academy you're just dragging your points here, we would simply create the line that way. Let me know if you need any more help. Thanks.